Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo, Hola, Privyet. For today's drawing, I am using black oil pastel, light violet, violet, light blue, Prussian blue, anthrop blue, white, light yellow, and this is the combination of scarlet and light orange. Here, pink and grey and also brown will be used directly. Well, instead of using light violet, we will use dark violet, so there's no need for light violet. Let me give you a quick summary of the entire process. If you are new to oil pastels, here's a cool technique. Scrape some oil pastels, mix with a Vaseline gel and make a smooth paste, like you are using acrylic paint. Then spread the smooth paste on paper with your finger. It avoids a grainy texture and gives a nice finish. Check my community post for video links on this technique or explore the shorts section. For smoother blending, try a crepe cloth with light pressure instead of tissue paper, which tends to dull the colors. That's the gist. Watch my videos for the full process.